Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Here's a quick tip for you. It's a reply to an email that I received. It's from Leo. He says, "Hey guys, I have an odd question. I bought the Alpha Claymore from you guys a while back, but I often find myself struggling to remove the blade when I need to exchange it. It'll take me 5 to 10 minutes to remove it often. Not sure if the blade is supposed to fit in that tight or if I'm doing something wrong." Well, here's my response. I said, "Leo, thank you for your inquiry. Hope you're having a great day. I always keep small tweezers nearby in the bathroom for sticky blades. Sometimes the water and soap or cream form a residue and it makes it difficult to remove the blade. The tweezers handle the task easily and quickly. P.S. Just don't touch the sharp edge of the blade with them. Grab it from the side." And then Leo responded back, "Thanks for the tip, guys. Never thought of using something so simple." Sometimes the answer is very simple. Let's demonstrate. Alpha Claymore. Here's a look at it. It's a single edge razor. Uses the Artist Club blades. Remove the handle. Separate the top cap and the bar, the two parts. Here's the top cap. You can see the blade in there. And here's the safety bar. If it's gummed up and won't come out easily, you can just hold it from the thread and grab the blade from the side with your tweezers, just like that. Pick it right off. Comes right off very easily. Put it back on. There, it's back on. Pick it back off. Just grab it from that corner. Comes right off easily. Sometimes that soap scum from the shaving cream or shaving soap and the water will combine and just get gunky and lock it down, but that's your quick solution. Tweezers. Yep, we also sell tweezers. If you want to pick up the Claymore, tweezers, any other shaving items, click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to ShaveNation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving and more. And I recently started coming out with these short videos, less than a minute. Quick tips, different things, so you don't have to spend 20 minutes watching a video. Just one quick minute, maybe you can learn something new. Please let me know how you like those short videos. Comment down below what you think of them. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.